be that? I wanna look am. We dey kanke. What you dey for do? Na for give now. Better information them. We don't throw na big time salute. We don't tell na I dey see member people the way last Friday they not make the way they be supposed to make a minute make up for the way they man chop mutton. May not be problem. I dey see salute now and I hope say it pass fine for play on every day. It pass fine for our house. It pass fine for the family because na Muslim feast. But it concern all we because na public holiday and then we be one. You understand no? Yes, na so it is because na Christian feast, Muslim too they accompany we. So if na Muslim feast, we too we get for accompany our Muslim brothers. As I talk for big grammar, we are a family. I don't knock am. Yeah. Aha. Countryman. The first story we did today. Now for that one for waiting. Baccalaureate. Picking the right back today. I know me back probatoire, sorry. Baccalaureate we don't start since. Now probatoire. That transition examination where they make am picking come up for 6 years for secondary school, go for year 7. That means say it pass year 6 for go for year way, it go right back. So it is so at the year say probatoire they drunk plenty. Say in a period that way, plenty picking them so on they fail. And then so Tori be don't come out, say it is so me they do all two they go do a suit for council that probatoire. The Cameroon government, they don't continue with them. They go for different countries like Chad, Central African Republic, probatoire no day again. Picking they just write their normal examination for class, and then when they pass, they go write their back the other year. That's why they so we look up, I go be with the which all picking them. When they don't enter now, they write their probatoire. Good luck. Una no, una get for learn. Yeah, then you pray after. Then if you not learn, then you pray now only pray. Prayer no go help you for pass. But if you learn, then you pray, you go pass. So now so the matter day. Countrywoman. Tori day. We go for that side for Chang. Tori for Chang now wait. So man, where they call his name say Christian Folefak. Una remember that man where we tell una say woman blanche, it be kwara. Christian talk say, ce n'est pas moi qui l'ai tapé de elle. Wow. People they hear that grammar for called. So they just okay, on va faire les resconstitutions. Ouais, that French term. Et on say, George for court talk say, on va faire les reconstitutions defense. Defense. F-A-I-T-S. Naida no. Reconstitution defense. Now so, George talk. They say they go invite waiting people where they don't know book plenty for know what if it happen before man kwara. So they enter for that book palaba for see how it happen before they get in the kwara. They make all the investigation now. It shows say that talk say they get before. Say that because of 4 where it kwara na big lie. Because I saw the man be talking. He say now they get slice it 4 and then before the quarter. So that thing what they call them say expert medical guard. Medical expert them say medical guard. Medical guard now don't make expertise don't show say now lie talk. Say Christian what freaking no. Christian what manga. Christian no lie. Now Christian is himself in Nagdanga for don't believe for la cité for la but no be no say he go reach for that kind of place where he go kwara. So na so inga don't go kwara na Christian one check story them. He started cook so one them cook am. He cook story. The story you know who drugs. You know who Kale. You know who Shaw. You know who Bekere. You know who no nothing. Now the matter is still there for court. Countrywoman. Tori day. Another Tori, na palava that small perika for 6 years. Dan Jaka no even perika. Dan Jaka for 6 years. Where some man where they call it say Dagobert Nwafo. If you kwarai for that side for Yaoundé. If you get problem, in a day picking a papa for instance some bar. What are they be arguing with you? Or they be arguing a palava ndambao, or they be arguing a palava neighborship for bao. On a mimbo, we don't make up for way, you don't go for way, you did for way, you don't turn their head. Now the thing that way, I don't know, countryman, countrywoman. Now you don't go for house, go take nap. You enter my house, if you want Kora all picking for day, you see now only that one where they call say Matisse, where be there for palo, he cut the hand, he chook neck, he Kora Matisse. The other one they hide for her. So Matisse in their body, they move on our last Friday. They move on last Friday for morning time, for that side for mortuary for Ekunu, and then they carry and go for that side for Ngwaikele, for that side where if Papa they sit up for day. So now for day where the matter it happened, and then after they carry and go for that side for West Region for Bamena. Now Bamena family. So one G na Bamena man. So they don't carry sote, they don't go lower, them say berry for that side for Bamena. Papa in name Napoleon 1G, na so we talk am. So na tina way it happened, we talk na say bye bye baby Matisse. But most importantly, grandma enter for the talk. Most importantly, it's not a one show lower. The two and final say justice go take a course, and then that and go be man, he go answer, they go put you for better ngata, how he didn't gata already. Countryman, countrywoman. What happen for that side, for Fumban side? The two happen for that side, it don't pass people. Now Professor Ann Jom Len, now he don't send it SOS. SOS with picture for the Pekin. He send me the helabi for see the Pekin. He was on so close way he did na a sweater, a hair. With the writer for before say mini baby. The writer say mini baby. So that mini baby now, some man don't twara Pekin. Some man don't twara Pekin for that side for by gum. That's it happen on the foot. Now about 5 days this way they twara Pekin. The story don't enter with today, and then they never see the Pekin, so the story must continue. Person where it was Pekin for by God, me no say they define that Pekin, so take out it tomorrow. When they go see ye, so the best thing for do now for come back that Pekin back. You chief the Pekin for do it with the Pekin. Now for do it where you can't kick that Pekin, now the question that. So for Bygone Village, as I talk on an also for that side for Fumbod, in your far from Kutaba, for Noon Division, people they wonder. People they wonder now who tip that Pekin, how it happen? What it happen? Na family, na auntie, na sister, na all man. It asks itself plenty question. Because for no heart in the past, when I know say for we will talk say even me kai. There is some people they be tip for that side from Banga, and then it happen to say I know the woman. Imasa. So police they can't catch am because say na for them who know am when me too I know say them say that woman be the life for belle. So police they catch that woman they put it for Ngata, but the thing I say between the pikin for hospital Mbanga, EM and outside for gate, the pikin go fall for down inside back, the pikin die, and then one go take pikin don't die. He can see run for go show him as I say he don't born. Say na the pikin die don't born, the pikin do kwara. That's where the pass. So mo just take care. Countryman, countrywoman. Tori day. Another Tori, why they broke up for now. For this sharp na weti. The Tori na say, hey. Oh, na say weti. For that side, for Yaoundé. That artist, when they call it say, send the Z at Tango. Where if they cut grass for a Pekin. Where they open mimbo for a Pekin. Where they cook chop, he test them. The man, he turn the picking them for a woman. He get 3 girls picking them. Number 1, number 2, he turn her for Inga. Number 3, he try, he run. Neither the matter don't omot because he used to say, the one show say be some baby man, say he don't born picking with the picking them. Scandal. The scandal can go so it strong so Now people they start begin ask and say, who's a state council for inside the matter day? He did it waka. People they start begin talk about penal code, article 360, 335, 345, so 47. They only talk. Now that so article for them we talk say if one of the parent them they not court book, you know waka, or the victim not court book. Now that send the Z atago ipike don't court book. But before one court book, they don't catch you too, they go put her for ngata. Because that way they will ask that matter, He say the thing no be anything for he because he believe for pa. Say pa na God sent. Say pa na imasa, I pa na pikin, na papa for he pikin them. So how man fit born pikin? He be papa for the pikin. He born pikin with pikin. He be grandpa for a pikin, a pikin. You be papa for your pikin, and then you be grandpa because say now you get that pikin papa, grandpa, papa for the same time. The matter then now it continue. So we'll see how the matter will go end before we know how the thing go. Countryman, countrywoman. Ya pikin, I repeat ya pikin no be ya woman. No way. No be to ya pikin for your woman. Then remember say people will be glad for the matter. You know correct so. So as we dey look out for up, we look out for down. We know say meeting they will give pass away the past. But may will be very, very careful because man no know. Man no know who ya. Countryman. Now for here, we'll go put in for this small pigeon program for this day. But before we go, we'll tell you again. If you wanna see our back, if you wanna see my back, I wanna know say my belly is there for before. Now so tomorrow again. I live now with the one. It call it say Feel Bill.